Hey guys, welcome to DevOps School. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Docker. It helps us to create, deploy and run applications by using containers. After going through this tutorial, I promise you that the concept and understanding of the Docker will be absolutely clear to you.
But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOps School certification level courses which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry-level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best and start today.
So I will show you all the demo in the EC2 instance, and same commands you will run on your virtual machine during the laptop. Okay. So we all have got two CentOS 7. So one CentOS 7 you use for Docker, and the second one we will use for the Kubernetes. Okay. So I am creating one instance right now. Quickly. CentOS Marketplace, CentOS 64-bit 7. Continue. One CPU, 2 GB RAM is sufficient for this demo. Instance 1, storage 20 GB sufficient. So here I am login, name, doc, and security group default. I have opened up everything. So done. So this is the machine I got it. Now the question is IP address. This is my IP address. Okay. So how do you install it? So the instruction which I am having here is copied to devopsschool.com. Please be comfortable with this website. You will find plenty of resources, tutorial, and web tutorial. Here I will go to Docker. Click on the Docker, and here Docker installation and configuration. And we are trying CentOS. Click here. This is the URL which you are going to try it out. And after that, see, this is an installation, and this is the installation. So I am going to follow how to install Docker Community Virtualization. So these are the steps I will do. So look at it. I am going to log in using putty. Or open. Okay. Login at the same place. Your user ID and password will be on a desktop. Again, I repeat, your user ID and password will be on desktop. On Notepad will be there, so you can use it. Now Docker needs root and same time installation also need root. So I'll become a sudo and then I will try to install it. So one by one, this command I'm writing it. Be careful, don't rush. Understand each and every command and then run it. This is being installed actually, Docker CE version, community version. And verify if you got it installation or not. Installation in progress. And then Docker V, and then enable the Docker, and then start the Docker services, and then Docker. That's all. Till Docker info only, don't run any other commands. Please spend this time, read each and everything here. And so guys, did you understand that how to install Docker? Any questions so far?
If you liked our Docker session so far, please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.